In the congested waters of the Indo-Pacific and the Baltic, a new predator is emerging. It doesn't weigh thousands of tons or carry a crew of hundreds. Instead, it's a swarm, a cloud of low-cost, expendable drones designed to overwhelm, distract, and dismantle an adversary's defense in seconds. This is the swarm and seize doctrine, and it's changing the face of the U.S. Marine Corps. Under the ambitious Force Design 2030, the Marines are shifting away from heavy tanks to become a stand-in force. These agile, small units operate deep within the enemy's weapon engagement zone, and their primary weapon is the drone. Gone are the days of million-dollar missiles for every target. Today, a single Marine squad can launch a coordinated wave of FPV and loitering munitions, like the new Bolt M, for a fraction of the cost. But swarm and seize isn't just about destruction. In high-stakes maritime intercepts, these swarms act as the ultimate distraction. While hundreds of micro-drones saturate a ship's radar and foul its sensors, Marine raiders can execute a boarding operation with total surprise. By the time the enemy clears the digital noise, the ship has already been seized. This isn't science fiction, it's active testing. From the wave breaker exercises to new drone task force summits, the Corps is currently training 400 new operators every month. As General Berger once said, "You hit somebody with your fist and not with your fingers spread." In 2026, that fist is made of silicon, carbon fiber, and 1,000 synchronized points of light. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, and also please subscribe to our channel so that we can continue to bring you more great stories from the U.S. military and their allies around the world.